The next dance group is the Imarpigmiut dancers, sorry. The Togiak Imarpigmiut Dancers was first formed in 1999, shortly after leaders Aaron and Margie Frost moved to Togiak after getting married in Bethel in August of 1999. The group flourished for about 10 years, performing at Guyana Night and here at Cama-i back in 2002. The group took a long pause for about 10 years. Of all things, COVID brought them back together and brought them back to dancing. The Bristol Bay Native Corporation asked them to teach Yuraq virtually through Zoom. Since then, they've kept the group busy. They give a big thanks to Bristol Bay Grant. Kachung came to Togiak in October 2025, and the rest is history. They're happy to be back. Let's give them a round of applause.